In today's video, you will learn how to make an account on Facebook. So welcome to my channel. I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. First, you will go to address bar and type www.facebook.com and you will enter. Then you will create an account. Click on create an account, create new account. Then you will fill your first name, then your surname, then your mobile or email address, and then you will type your password, and then you will add your birthday. Here you will add your date, your month and your year. Then you will fill your gender, male or female or anyone, and then click on sign up. Just follow this process and you will easily make an account on Facebook. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts about it and tell us about anything else you want to know or you want to learn. Subscribe to our channel for more upcoming questions and queries. So stay tuned. Bye.